Atam. In the previous slide, we learned Maheshwara Sutras and definition of sutras and the Pratyaharas. So how the Pratyaharas derived from those 14 sutras of Panini or Maheshwara Sutra. So now, what are the divisions we have in sutras that we are going to learn in this slide? See, first Sutra prakara means divisions of sutras. Samnya cha paribhasha cha vidhir niyama eva cha atidesho adhikarascha shadvidam sutra lakshanam. So it means there are 6 types of sutras. Samnya sutram, paribhasha sutram, vidhi sutram, niyama sutram, atidesha sutram, and adhikara sutram. So now in this we learn one by one what this Atidesha and Adhikara, Niyama, etc. sutras. So first we have Samnya Sutram. So what do you mean by Samnya? Samnya means name. So when a new baby is born, we give some name. So why we give name? Because to identify. There are many people to identify in between them, we give the name. Similarly, here there are so many sutras. To identify which sutra is that, here names are given. Yes sutram samnyaha vidadhati tat samnya atava samnya vidhayaku sutram iti katyate. Samnya padasya artha nama. Nama means name. Yatha loke kasyapi abhijnanaartham nama vidiyate. So as to identify someone, how the names are given in the world, similarly, Ashtadhyayi Granthe Panchavinshatyadhika Trimshat Sutra Samnya Sutrani Santi. Similarly, in Ashtadhyayi, some Samnya Sutras are there. So, for example, Udaharanam Halantyam It Samnya Vidhiyate. So, it is a name. You cannot get the meaning of that, but it is a name given to that. It is the Samnya. From this sutra, the Samnya is given to word. This is called Samnya Sutra. Samnya Sutram, Anvarta Samnya, Kritrima Samnya, Paramparagata Samnya iti Bhagatrayam asti. See, when you take Samnya Sutra, there are 3 types of Samnya Sutra. One is Anvarta. Anvarta means meaningful name. And Kritrima Samnya means simply giving some name to some sutras or word. And Paramparagata means from Panini time and before that, who the Acharyas were there, from that what came, that is Paramparagata Samnya. Like that, 3 types of Samnya Sutras there. See now, when we say Anvarta Samnya, Kaschana Samnya Tasam Arthanusaram Bhavati. See, some names are according to their name, meaningful. So they are called Anvarta Samnya. For example, Sarvanama. When we say Sarvanama, it is pronoun. In place of noun, we use this. And Avyayam. Avyayam means what? Na Vyetiti Avyayam. Means which doesn't change. That is Avyaya. Linga Vibhakti Vachana Rahitam. That is Avyaya. Like Sampradhanam. Samyak Pradhanam. Sampradhanam. It is a Samnya given to Chaturthi Vibhakti. So these type of sutras are called Samnya Sutra, in that Anvarta Samnya. And Kritrima Samnya. Yaha Anishchita Samnya. Anishchita means not definite meaning is given to that. Simply some names are given like T Samnya, Gha Samnya, Bha Samnya. There are so many like that. These are all Samnya Sutras. When the sutras come, you will understand why they are used. And Paramparagata Samnya, Paramparya Agata Samnya, Yatha Pratipadika, Ardhadhatuka ityadi. So Parampara means, as I told, it is Panini and other Acharyas Parampara. From that what Samnya came, that is Paramparagata Samnya. And next we have Paribhasha Sutram. Paribhasha means Aniyame Niyamakarini. Means Yaya Niyamaha Sthiri Kriyate Sa Paribhasha. So where there is no any rule, so making some rule in that place, that is called Paribhasha. And Arthat yatra niyamaha nasti tatra niyamakaranam paribhasha. Yata sthanentartamaha yatha sankhya manudeshaha samanam. All these are paribhasha samnya. In that again we have some divisions. Lokanyaya siddha paribhasha, So this paribhasha says yam paribhasha loka vyavahara adharita asti, means as we behave in the world, in that way this paribhasha is derived or created. For example, sahacharita asahacharitayo sahacharitasyeva grahanam. So this is a paribhasha. When sahacharita asarita means friend and other person is going, to whom we take consider means sahacharitasya. Sahacharita means who actually accompany us. We take that person. This is seen in the world. Therefore, it is called Loka Nyaya Siddha Paribhasha. Similarly, Vachinaki Paribhasha. Vachiniki Paribhasha भाष्येण एवं पूर्वाचार्यैः च कथितं वचनरूपेण पठिता वाचनिकी भाष्य means Patanjali Mahabhashya. So in that Bhashya, our Purvacharya means Patanjali, Katyayana, and Panini, etc. Acharyas, what they have told like Vachana words, that is called Vachiniki Paribhasha. And काश्चन परिभाषाः आचार्यस्य शैली अथवा उपदेशेन ज्ञापिता. And some paribhashas are actually reminded by the style or advice of acharyas. Acharya means here Panini, Katyayana, Patanjali, etc. taken. So such paribhasha is called Jnapaka Siddhi Paribhasha. Jnapaka Siddhi Paribhasha, not Vachiniki, Jnapaka Siddhi Paribhasha. So these are the divisions of paribhashas. And then we have Vidhi Sutram. Vidhi Sutra means Yat Sutram Yen Lopa Agama Guna Vriddhi Dirgha Pratyaya Adeshadinam Vidhanam Karoti. So where this Yen Atwa Lopa Atwa Agama, all these are Vidhiyate. Vidhiyate means where these are given or told, such sutras are called Vidhi Sutram. So here udaharanam eco energy. So eco energy is the sutra. So what it says, ikasthane yen sat achipare. So where ik is there, ik means it's a pratyahara. Ikasthane, in the place of ik, yen bhavati. Yavara tlan, yavara la, that is yen. So these will replace this ik in front of ach. That is the sutra. So here yen vidhanam, yen is told or given. This place is occupied by yen. So such sutras are called Vidhi Sutram. And next we have Niyama Sutram. So what is Niyama Sutra? Siddhe sati arambhamano vidhi niyamaya bhavati. Arthat kasyapi karyasya siddhau sati. So already that work is done. Punaha tasyeva karyasya siddhe. Again to do that work, Sutrantaram padyate. Another sutra is recited or called. That is called Niyama Sutram. So already the work is done, but to do that work again, one more sutra is called or told. That is called Niyama Sutram. So when it comes, I will explain you again in detail. For example, Ratsasya, Patisamaseva, all these are Niyama Sutras. And next we have Atidesha Sutram. Atidesha Sutram means Atidishyante Tulyataya Vidhiyante Karyani Yena so Atideshaha. Arthat, meaning Yat Sutram Yatha Nasti Tasya Tatha Avagamanam. So the sutra is not like that, but understanding like that, it is called Atidesha Sutram. It is called Atidesha Sutra, where the sutra is not like that, but understanding sutra is like this. That is called Atidesha Sutram. For example, Antadivaccha. This is Atidesha Sutra. And last we have Adhikara Sutram. Kanichana Sutrani evam bhavanti yani swakshetrena न किमपि कार्यं कुर्वन्ति किन्तु अन्य क्षेत्रेषु स्व अधिकारं स्थापयन्ति. Means some sutras are like that. They don't do any work in their jurisdiction or in their place, but in other place they show their adhikara, means their authority. Such sutras are called Adhikara Sutra. Tani Adhikara Sutrani iti Katyante. Those are called Adhikara Sutra. For example, Pratyayaha, Parascha, all these are Adhikara Sutra. Means where their place is there or their jurisdiction is there, they don't do any work, but in other place they go and take the authority power. That is called Adhikara Sutra. Like this, there are 6 types of sutras in Panini's Ashtadhyayi. All sutras come under one of these divisions.